Agriculture has never been under more pressure. Our global population keeps growing, and so do the expectations and responsibilities placed on our farmers. At AVR, we believe in progress, in solutions, in a future where farming is both more efficient and more sustainable. That's why we develop cutting-edge technologies and products that help farmers store more marketable potatoes, using less input, less fuel, less time, and with less impact on the soil. At AVR, our goal is to be the partner of choice for farmers who are ready to take on tomorrow's challenges. We're proud to reveal the next step in our journey.
It's the final one. I can't believe it. The Puma has given us so much. It has made us a leader in the industry. It has raised the bar for a full product line and for AVR as a company. It's an icon in its own right. Our product director, Peter, will tell you all about it.
The very first AVR Pumas hit the production line back in 2006. Through clever engineering, we achieved to fit an enormous cleaning capacity into a compact and lightweight machine with large tires. Until then, furrow self-propelled harvesters were either oversized massive machines or lacked the necessary sieving capacity for furrow harvesting. The AVR Puma was a game changer. As the potato processing industry exploded over the next decade, both potato acreage and farm scaled up, AVR was at the front row to deliver the harvesting capacity growers needed. Over the years, some subtle and some more significant upgrades have allowed the Puma to meet the ever-increasing requirements. From the original Puma to the Puma Plus, then Puma 3 and the connected Puma 4.0, each step brought improvements. Each step taught us something, but the core concept still brilliant. The central chassis is the backbone. Tough, agile and light, just like a true predator. Today, the extremes are getting more extreme. Climate changes, growth in potato acreage, tougher and hilly terrains are being used. Drought, floods, dry clods, stones, and fewer hands to get the job done. So more and more is being expected of the machinery. These challenges inspired us. We saw one final opportunity to perfect our existing machine, to push it to its ultimate form. A final addition to meet the demands of today and tomorrow. We've kept the proven features that allow the Puma to handle it all. The VarioUp combination of cleaning modules, massive tires, a balanced weight, and even the option to run on tracks. But we also looked ahead. We focused hard on the digging unit, because what goes in must be processed, so it needs to be correct. Cleaning capacity was boosted, but always with care for the crop in mind. Gentle handling, limited drop heights, optimized web angles. We added square meters, redesigned the cleaning system, extended the pintle belt, added angle control to the axial rollers, and upgraded the home roller and topper. Every tweak adds up to more performance. To power all that, we overhauled the hydraulics and dropped in a beast of an engine, adding 80 horsepower to arrive at a stunning 551. And then there's the bunker. We took the unloading on the go concept and made it even better. More volume, a smarter design. The bunker now lifts during unloading, reducing the elevator angle and doubling the speed, all while keeping the machine stable. It's still a two-part bunker, bringing extra sieving capacity on the one hand and a well-known optimal use of the bunker on the other hand. The elevator and bunker can operate independently during continuous harvesting for an optimal loading and unloading. And because machines are working longer hours, we made sure the driver's experience is top-notch in terms of comfort, ease of use and automated functions. A new class cabin, fully equipped, a brand new HMI and joystick, everything within reach. More functions are automated and the system is ready for even more automation in the future. Now let's take a closer look at how we turned that vision into reality. Lore, our product marketeer, knows everything about it.
When designing the 5th generation Puma and defining its core structure, we focused on the 4 key characteristics: speed, agility, strength, and lightweight construction. Every detail, from the chassis and tires to the wheelbase and powertrain, has been carefully engineered around these principles, delivering stability, efficiency, minimum fuel consumption, and maximum harvesting performance. It all begins with the backbone of our machine, the central chassis beam. It allows us to combine minimal weight with maximum robustness and agility. With the engine, front axle, and rear axle positioned in exactly the right places, the machine achieves a perfectly balanced weight distribution. This ensures stability and an even load on all tires. As you can see, our Puma runs on large rear tires. These 900 VF tires on a 38-inch rim ensure maximum footprint and minimal soil pressure, resulting in the lowest fuel consumption in the market. They also make it possible to fit triangular rubber tracks, which significantly extends the Puma's operating range, especially in very wet conditions. The wheelbase has been slightly extended to boost sieving capacity even further. Despite this adjustment, the Puma remains highly maneuverable, thanks to its optimized steering geometry. On the front axle, we provide a 55-degree steering angle with Clipper 395 on a 52-inch rim tires as standard, and optionally, Alliance 320/105 on a 50-inch rim tires for an even bigger footprint. The rear axle offers a sharp 24-degree steering angle with strong steering performance, while the trailing axle is fitted with wide 520 tires to further increase footprint and keep soil impact to a minimum. In our 5th generation Puma, we have chosen an impressive powertrain. The Volvo TAD 1385 engine delivers 551 horsepower, making it the strongest in its class when you look at horsepower per kilogram. Compared to the Puma 4.0, that's a 20% increase in power. And with a completely redesigned hydraulic pump unit, all that power is converted into maximum harvesting capacity. Now, let's have a closer look at the key modules in our 5th generation Puma. High productivity potato varieties come with strong haulm systems, and restrictions on chemical haulm killing can make harvest time challenging with haulm and weeds. That's why we made several improvements to the haulm topper. First, the machine now delivers more available power, boosting its performance potential. To spread the topped haulm evenly across the field, which is important for soil cultivation after harvest, we've integrated a haulm spreader for more efficient distribution. Additionally, the evacuation belt can now operate to both sides for added convenience. To further improve the efficiency of the haulm topper, we've also enhanced the responsiveness of the automatic depth and inclination control. By repositioning the probes further forward, the machine can react faster and more precisely during operation. One of the new features of our digging unit is a quick change system, increasing the Puma's versatility. Think onions, carrots, or other root crops. We continue to rely on our ACC Comfort Drive digging unit system, which features a single, wide digging unit with 8 driven discs. With the All Conditions Control system, the operator can choose whether to harvest with or without diabolos, depending on field conditions. In both cases, the diabolos remain mounted, but the pressure on the ridges can be adjusted to match the conditions. In dry soil, a crust can be broken to ensure proper crop intake. In extremely wet conditions, the diabolos can be disengaged entirely, applying no pressure to the ridges at all. Harvesting depth is controlled by probes on both the left and right sides of the machine, ensuring the most efficient depth while following the natural inclination of the field. This depth control system, known as AVR Comfort Drive, keeps the digging unit and the entire machine more stable than ever. The result is harvesting at the correct depth, which improves quality and reduces, again, fuel consumption. Let's have a look at the harvesting channel. The web surfaces have been enlarged, creating a remarkable 20% extra sieving area compared to the Puma 4.0. Every movement in the machine is actively driven, with minimal drop heights in mind, ensuring the most efficient and gentle crop transport possible. The haulm roller units have been completely redesigned. First, a licensed design now connects the haulm roller to the nose rollers of the following sieving web, keeping drop heights to a minimum, less than 30 centimeters, regardless of the haulm roller's position. To make operation easier, the positions of both the home rollers and guides can be adjusted directly from the cab. All sieving webs and home rollers have their own hydraulic drive, with the option to reverse, giving the operator full control from the cab. Automated speed and pressure functions help the driver maintain the best crop flow throughout the machine. Overall, drop heights have been reduced and the webs can run at higher speeds, allowing to harvest at the highest capacity in a potato-friendly manner. Our well-known patented ValueWeb system gives full flexibility in using the axial rollers. Depending on the conditions, you can choose to use the rollers fully, partially, or not at all. We've further improved the ValueWeb system by adding inclination control for the entire unit. The ValueWeb cleaning unit can now be adjusted from the cab between -2.5 degrees and 7.5 degrees, adapting to the cleaning requirements in the field. This ensures maximum cleaning efficiency, whether you're going uphill or downhill, making full use of the available cleaning capacity. We've also increased the surface area of the pintle belt by 15%, boosting sieving capacity and improving the operation of the standing vertical pintle belt. We continue to rely on a robust ring elevator. Thanks to a redesign of the flights and clever material choices, it maintains capacity, sieving capacity, and overall robustness while minimizing drop impact, ensuring the gentlest possible product flow. The AVR Clean & Go bunker combines a large buffer capacity, now up to 10 tons. With the efficiency of unloading on the go and extra cleaning capacity thanks to a transition roller and an open sieving web elevator. The increased volume is a result of clever bunker and elevator design. A standout feature is the extension plate, which unfolds automatically in bunker field mode. To discharge this volume quickly, we introduced another smart innovation on the 5th generation Puma. Since unloading capacity is strongly influenced by elevator inclination, we raise the starting point as high as possible. By lifting the bunker floor 40 centimeters with a parallelogram construction, we achieve 50% faster unloading. The automatic bunker filling system ensures optimal and efficient filling, allowing the bunker to be used to its full capacity with ease. Unloading can also be done fully automatically, making operations simple and user-friendly. Our discharge elevator can unload over 4 rows, even into high-tipping trailers, which is especially useful when opening fields. Welcome to the new spacious Class X11 cab. The first thing you notice is the impressive panoramic view and the clear sight of your digging web. From your comfortable leather seat with this excellent view, the integrated camera system and the intuitive HMI displaying key parameters, you have full control over the entire machine. The new glass cab offers excellent comfort, plenty of space and outstanding ergonomics. We've also integrated a completely new camera system. It features one large touchscreen on which you can display up to 18 cameras at once, giving you a perfect view of your working area. It shows you exactly what you need to see, even in different operating modes, such as harvesting, road travel, and reversing. The completely redesigned HMI is extremely user-friendly, providing an intuitive overview of all machine settings and parameters, with quick access to the modules you need to operate. On the main screen, the entire machine is displayed with each component, like the ValueWeb, wheels, and every web highlighted in a different color code, making it easy to identify each part at a glance. You can immediately see the most important values, such as the inclination of the ValueWeb or the speed of the webs. By simply clicking, you can adjust these values in detail. A color scale for pressure indication shows you how far you can push through to get the maximum out of the Puma. Finally, we gladly present our new intuitive joystick. Through this ergonomic joystick, the machine is commanded. All buttons are within easy reach, and the design is highly ergonomic, allowing the operator to control the machine comfortably and efficiently over long periods of time. Clear pictograms and a logic placement of all functions make sure you have full control over this beautiful machine, right from the start. For user comfort and to ensure the machine is used as efficiently as possible, many automatic functions are available. such as web speed, hill control, bunker filling and unloading. This Ultimate Edition Puma is ready to face today's and tomorrow's challenges in climate, terrain and scale, all while ensuring maximum driver comfort and user-friendliness. Now, let's have a look at the 5th generation Puma where it truly belongs, out in the field.
Speed, agility, strength. Same identity, Ultimate Edition. The final roar. Be a part of its legacy.